There are times when you feel as if everything is dark. Your situation is not improving. You are drowning in abyss. I don't want to tell you to hope for the best. Nope, you might have already heard it from people. I won't tell you, be positive. There is sunshine at the end of a tunnel. These things we have heard and we know them. But sometimes the situation is so gross, so extreme that we can't internalize these thoughts. Try as we may, we can't relate to these things. And then this thought strikes us that, is Allah really with me? You know devil will attack you when you are the most vulnerable. So you begin to doubt whether you really are important for Allah, whether He notices your struggles. I want to just tell you this thing. Just look within yourself, within your loving self. Even though it may seem that you are in the control of your body, but who is making your heart beat? Who is making your lungs work? Who is making your brain work? Who is maintaining all complex processes within yourself? And above all, who is coordinating all these things simultaneously? Processes from which incredible sciences have been derived. Who is doing it? Are you doing it? It is your Rabb, Allah, your Khaliq, who not only created you, but is also nourishing you for each and every second of your life. Will you still have the audacity to say that Allah has left you? All the creation on this earth can abandon you, and eventually they will. All of them. This dunya was designed to be like that. But your Rabb never abandons you. He is there with you for every breath you take. Never for a moment think that you are alone in this whole wide world. The one who has the control of heavens and earth and all in the between also controls the whole world inside you. Allah may be glorified and exalted. Subhana.